We've got nice, solid sounding woody tissue. Oh, ooh. But as we get over here, you hear the difference? It may be hard to hear. I got a lot of cars passing by. But about 3/4 of this entire tree is 100% hollow. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm under the impression that a hollow tree is no good. Now, when it's hollow in the middle, that's fine. When it's hollow here, towards the root flares and the roots, that means you've got very, very little supporting this tree. Now, again, we got to get with the city because this is a city-owned tree. They have to take care of this before it falls on somebody or something causes tremendous damage. So just wanted to show you one thing. This is why it's important to have a certified arborist, not an urban forester, not a landscaper. Look at these things, because I don't know how this tree made it through that storm last night. Thank God it did. Nobody got hurt, but it could have been a very different story. So call your arborist, have them check it out, and really do a thorough inspection.